Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money if you twerk. I don't really think you can twerk.
What is up? Let me go pin this up or something real quick because I don't have time. What is up, you guys? It's your girl ARIE B, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a lot of packages behind me. But which one will I be opening first? I don't know yet. I really don't know. In the video, I'm gonna start with the hair. Of course, you guys know I love doing hair reviews and all that good stuff. So let's start with the hair. So as you can see, I got the hair DHL. Yeah. And when you take the hair out of the packaging, you get this. I've never got hair bubbled up like this because I don't know, like what can happen to the hair, like I don't know. But oh, I feel like I just got a Christmas present, y'all. I feel like I just got an early Christmas present. This packaging is so freaking cute and different. I've never got hair, the freaking ribbon tied around it. Like what type of high class hair company is this? Okay, this company is called Afsisterwig, and I really don't even want to untie that bow because it is just too perfect. Like I don't want to untie it, but it looks like I'm going to have to. Freak, I didn't want to. Why you guys did that? Last night, something. Okay, got it off. That bow was too cute. I'm keeping that bow. This box is cute too. I might even give this to my mom for her to put her jewelry in. So I'm gonna go ahead and push one end of the box out. And when you open the box, you will get a hairnet, of course. Also, they send you a band. Whoa. Okay, hold on. I've never got a band sent to me from a company. And they also send you clips if you want to sew in clips. But a band? This is different. This is real different. A band. This is a good size too. I didn't know how big my head is. Huh? I didn't know. How y'all know how big my head is? Y'all be watching me, huh? That's what y'all be doing. Okay. So, yeah. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the hair out of the net and everything. Oh, this one gets short. This one gets short. Oh, it feels good. What the heck? Yo, this wig feels mad good. Woo. It smells good. They spray perfume on it before they give it to me because they know I'll be checking for the smell. Nah, this wig don't even have a smell, y'all. This wig dead smells bad. Well, it does have a smell, but it's like a perfume smell. Like they sprayed perfume on it. But yes. Okay, for starters, you got for starters, you guys see the length is like totally out of my comfort zone. I don't do short lengths because I feel like my face is too fat. So let's get into this length first. I believe this is I don't remember, but I don't remember the length, but this is a short curly wig. And honestly, I've been wanting to try out the short curly look for a minute because I see a lot of girls do it and they look so good with it. I didn't want to cut my other long wig because I'm gonna always need a long curly wig. When they reached out to me to do a short curly look, I was like, I'm with it because I've been feeling to do a short curly look for the longest. I don't know how it's gonna look on me, but yeah, let's get into this freaking babe. Hold on, the baby hairs and the hairline. I just had to stop real quick. Let's get into it. Oh my god. Yo, these companies be doing this on purpose. I swear they watch my videos and they know what I like and they give me exactly what I like. I binge with it. I jack it. I'm jacking it. I like how y'all know what I like. I like that. Yo, hold on. This hair, oh, try to jump on me. The way this hairline is set up right now, yo, this is about to be bomb. I don't have to do nothing to this hair. Is it even bleached? It looks like it's already bleached, but it still got a little black knots on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and bleach it again. But yeah, I'm really feeling this wig. Curly hair. So let's get into how the wig is made. This is a frontal wig, of course. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 combs in it. You also have the adjustable bands. You also have a little bit of lace if you want to go ahead and put it up in the back, which I'm gonna do. Oh wait, it's too short. What am I talking about? Yeah. I'm waiting. I'm still feeling to try a full lace wig. Like, I'm really feeling to try a full lace wig. You guys don't understand. But y'all, hold on. This hair is on some different type of texture right now. This is deep wave, I believe. And y'all know curly hair be mad tangly, mad knots, everything. As y'all can see this whole video, I've been running my hands through this hair and I have not get like one shed. On God, I ain't get no shedding and no tangles. What type of curly hair is this? Yo, I know people about to go crazy when I install this. I know they are. People love finding, because it's honestly, it's so hard trying to find good curly hair. Like, it's crazy. It is crazy. I low-key want to try this on just to see the length on me. This piece does not stay down. Like, it does not want to stay down. But I wanna try this on because I just want to see the lengths. Like, I'm so scared that it's like right here. Hopefully it's not. But let's just see. Oh my God, y'all, it is right there. I feel like an old lady. Do y'all see this? Maybe because I got a wig on my head. Let me stop. Nah, I like it. I like it. Hold on, that part though. Oh yeah, they definitely bleached the knots for me. I really don't have to do nothing but put this doggone thing on my head. I don't have to do nothing to this wig. And I feel like it's only sitting up like that because I have a wig on, like I said. Yeah, did I see these videos though? Oh, my hairline's about to look fleek to the gods. Let me see if I pull it down. Okay, this is a nice length. It probably sit flatter. It probably touch right here because I have on a wig right now. But I feel like this is different. I like it. It makes me look my age. It makes me look older. I look like a 20-year-old. Y'all, how y'all like this on me? Y'all know this is something different. I never did short before. But how do y'all like this length on me? I kind of like it. Hold on. I kind of like it now. I know it's going to sit flatter when I put it on anyway. Because like I said, I have a wig on. So it's not bulky, but it's like not... Oh, this wig is flat too. It's not bulky, but like it's not sitting flat on my head. People are writing me. Why is people writing me? But yeah, I'm about to see how my Snapchat people like this look. How y'all like this? Oh, I am feeling it. I look older. Oh yes, I'm jacking it. Ooh, with some contacts. Whoa, hold on. Ooh, nah, yeah, I'm jacking this. I don't honestly feel like taking off this. I feel like installing this right now. But I am jacking this. Who's telling me what? Nobody, of course. Telling me what? Nobody, of course. I look mad cute, y'all. I'm not posting that yet, though. I gotta wait till I install this hair. Nobody can see this hair yet. You bugging. But while we on Instagram, y'all go ahead and follow me on the gram. Stop playing. If you're not following me, what you doing? But yeah, I'm really feeling this curly hair. I'm obsessed with how, what you call it, how freaking soft this is. You guys can probably even hear how soft it is. Nah. But nah, y'all, this hair is mad soft. I'm really feeling it. I'm really feeling it. Let me see if I can like move the part around. Let's see how it looks when I like move the part around. This is the side part. I don't know why I was wearing it like that. But is that even a side? Okay. Y'all go see it. But let me see it as the middle. Y'all, this freaking plucking and lace. Oh my God, they got me sold. Why I never found out about this company before? Look at that. Yo, I'm about to be giving y'all scalp when I get... Yo. I'm about to be giving y'all nothing but scalp when I install this. Like, it's coming straight out my scalp, my hair, my hair. No, I'm jacking this. Ooh. What's my name? Nah, I play too much, y'all. I play too much. But okay. That is the end of this video. Nah, it's not the end yet. I'm really jacking this wig. I feel the only reason why I'm jacking this wig is because this is gonna be a whole new look for me, y'all. I've never did short hair a day, and I'm lying. No, I did do short. I did a short look before, but I like long bobs. You feel me? I never went short. Like, I never went above my shoulders when it came to any type of hair. So it's like, this is gonna really be a different look to me, and I feel like this look is gonna pop off. It's gonna go crazy. It's gonna go viral because this hair is so freaking amazing. And y'all, I'm dumb. Y'all wanna know how dumb I am? That was the middle part that whole time, and I had it as a side part, y'all. That's why the wig was uneven. Yeah, I'm dumb. Hold on, let me see something real quick. I'm mad dumb. I'm mad. I don't like it as the middle part though. I like them on the side, so that's what it's gonna be, a side. But I'm mad dumb for that. But that is the end of this video. Don't forget to go ahead and head over to Afsisterwig and purchase you some good curly hair. I don't know how the rest of their hair is, but I feel like if they curly hair is this bomb, they straight hair is even better. Because, you know, like I said, it's always hard to find good curly hair. At the end of the day, every curly hair is going to shed. Every curly hair is going to be high maintenance. But to receive curly hair like this so far, to me, is different. I haven't had curly hair like this before. And I want to thank you to Afsister for choosing me to do this review. Thank you so much. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Word around town. I heard this boy was a clown. Swimming your bitch, watch her drown. Call him up, play for the pounds. Wait, our future years right on my clothes. Bad bitch, yeah, watch it do coke. Broke as hell, used to sleep on the floor. I never do it no more. Telling you broke is no joke. I used to kick in that dope. Wait, now I'm selling all the shows.